We're back. Let's go. It's the start of the 2025 MG Car Club Speed Championship. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and we're off to the season opener, round one, across the country to the east, over towards Lincoln to Cadwell Park. So as the sun rises in the east, we reflect on what has been a fairly fast off-season. This year seems to have gone really fast. March creeping up on me before I knew it. Did I achieve everything I wanted to achieve this year in the upgrades? No. Still some work to do, but got a whole year to crack on and get that done. But loads we have done in readiness for today. So this year time ran away with me. I didn't get to do some of the lightning I wanted to do, and also I ran out of time to give it a test run. A few last minute changes, a few issues meant that the planned track day I had planned to do didn't happen, which means here at Cadwell Park it's going to be the first run out. And that's concerning because I haven't driven the car for nearly 6 months, so that means I'm not going to know how to drive it, which might have an effect on times. This first little section then, always a little bit of a challenge, but the start is just beyond where you can see there, so as a result you're not going too fast by the time you hit this. But if you do get it wrong, there's not really many places to go. First real challenge then today is getting this corner right. It is much tighter than it looks. It goes back on itself and it's got a nice little curb on the inside to kick you out. Not going to walk all of Cadwell this morning. It's one of the biggest circuits that you can do. It's probably nearly 2 miles, I guess 3 kilometers. So I've been intensively watching my own videos to mentally practice the course. But this first corner and the finish line are something I do want to see this morning. Even so, it's going to be fantastic to put the Midget through its paces this morning. Loads of modifications done. Headwork, new induction, new exhaust, new differential, new wheels and tyres, fiberglass front end, loads to test for the first time today. And the good news is the forecast is like this all day, which for the end of March is fantastic. We're starting the day with a dry track and in principle it will only warm up, so really great. The main straight then, coming down here, challenge here to not lift off at all as we fly up there to the right-hander. Down to the 90 left in the distance, and then the final run across here to the timing beacon, which is underneath the bridge. It's the usual routine then, scrutineering, get set up, 1 practice lap, 3 timed laps. The mountain looking very imposing from this angle. It's a lot bigger than it looks, this is. Cadwell Park really is one of the most entertaining courses on the circuit. It's long, lots of really great corners, and when you add in the altitude, the ups and the downs, it's full on all the way around. Fantastic driver's course. Really well organised by Bark Midlands as well. Fantastic facilities, great cafe, brilliant vantage points. Everything for the driver and the spectator, I'd say. Going to take it nice and easy on the practice, ease myself back into it, and we'll see what it can do. But first, bacon sandwich. practice, 113 seconds. First timed lap, 109.95 seconds. And to put that into context, the fastest I ever went after doing a track day a week before in 2022 was 116 seconds. So one timed lap, and this car is currently 7 seconds faster. Really impressive. The big difference then this time around is the tyres and the differential. This car is going round corners like it's absolutely on rails and it's glued to the floor. It's like there's some kind of magnet holding me down. So massive difference from the upgrades. Really excited then for what this car's going to do this year. 2 more time laps to go then. The sun is still shining. The track is slowly warming up nicely, and I still think there's probably, at a push, probably another couple of seconds that car could take out of that time. So let's start the afternoon session. So an incredible launch to the season this year. So impressed with the circuit, the weather, the car, the results. Real potential this year then. So the journey continues. Next weekend, it's my favourite circuit of them all, Cadwell in the Midlands. Short circuit, so the one lapper. So if you can make it, it's very popular. A lot of people going, so I'd love to see you there. If not, take care. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for following the journey. See you at Cadwell.